Today, I am at Camera Castle in Morristown, Tennessee. I've stopped here because I have asked them to help with an upcoming project that we're doing. Let's go in and check it out. It says photographer parking only. Violators will be shot. Hello.
What can we do for you today?
I've come to check about the filter.
Filter. Yeah, that was a 52 millimeter filter for the solar eclipse, right?
Yes. It's got that coming up in April.
Here we go.
Awesome. Thank you. This is Michael here at the Camera Castle. He's going to tell us a little bit about the filter that we came to pick up and what it does and how it works.
So what this is it's a really dark neutral density filter. So when we open it up here, when you put it over the lens, it's super dark. It's almost completely black. You can barely see through it unless it's a really, really bright day outside. And that's going to darken the exposure down so that the camera can look at the sun and not damage the sensor.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
They've got all kinds of older cameras. This one's pretty neat. He was saying that this one would take about 10 minutes to take a picture. It's a long time to have to sit still. This is cool. Look at all this old film in here. Very neat. Got all kinds of neat cameras. Lots of Kodak stuff. They used to make a lot of stuff up in Kingsport at the Eastman facility. Kodak sign in the front window here. We've got lots of neat stuff in the front window display. All kinds of film, giant film. This is huge. Here's a container in the front window full of film. All kinds of different film. They've got a section here about the older Kodak folding cameras. He said that they go from about 1934 to about 1945 in the ones that he's got over here. It's a cool section. They've even got a 3-in-1 Lego kit. And you can make a camera, a video camera, or like a little TV. That is awesome. Lots of lenses and stuff in the case. Got some bags. carry your cameras and equipment. Lots of different filters and accessories. That looks like a drone case. Oh, it is. Very cool. We've got some burnable CDs, VHS cassettes if you need them. And these are all the tripods if you need to set your camera up. Got some big tall ones down here. Different attachments for them. Cool. They have a bunch of cameras hanging from the ceiling all over the store. Very cool. I asked Michael what his favorite camera was here at the Camera Castle.
So I've got two. This one right here is a Pentax 6.7. So this is the largest DSLR made. And it takes medium format film. So this was your negative size, or positive if you're shooting
Wow.
positive. So it's much bigger than 30. It's like 4 times the size of 35 millimeter.
Wow. Very cool.
So this is a really cool camera, but that's humongous to carry around.
Right.
So Fujifilm made this, and this one had interchangeable lenses. You put different lenses on. This one just has one lens, but this shoots the same size negative, and it's like pocket size compared to that one. So
Oh, wow.
yeah, it's a really pretty cool little camera.
Fuji.
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't know if I said it earlier, but I really like your shirt.
Oh. Support your local camera store.
That's right. Michael, thank you very much for helping us and showing us about the filter, and I'm sure we'll be back to get more help and advice later on.
You're welcome. Thanks for stopping in.
Absolutely. Thank you.
You have a good one.
It's on now. First test with the filter. Let's see if we can zoom in a little on the sun. If you're in or near Morristown, Tennessee, and need any help with camera stuff, come to the Camera Castle. Michael will be glad to help you. As you heard, we came to pick up a filter for the eclipse. Andrew and I will be going to check out the eclipse. We're going to the line of totality, see what complete darkness is like. So stay tuned to the channel and check that out coming up in April.